Which of the following are not true about WTO Ministerial Conference? Okay. So Nairobi Summit of 2015 was the first ever WTO Ministerial Conference in an African nation. This is actually true. Okay, it took this many years. In 2015 only, first time in Africa it was held. Then it is the highest decision-making body of the WTO with regard to multilateral trading. That is correct. Okay. Then the ministerial conference generally happen every 2 years. That is also true. Generally happens is true. Okay. Now the latest one actually 2020 or 19, which was supposed to happen, right? It did not happen because of COVID. It kept on postponing. And in 2022, it happened in Geneva. Okay. But it was scheduled to be held in India. This is wrong. Okay. It was never scheduled to be held in India. That is wrong. Okay. India has never hosted this event. So here, if you see the dates, you can see 12th conference, 2022, it happened after a 5-year gap because of COVID. Okay. 2019 it was supposed to happen, postponed and became in 2022. Okay. Also initially it was not in Geneva. It was supposed to happen in Kazakhstan or something, and then because of again situations it was moved to Geneva. Okay. So Nairobi, if you see 2015, Bali in 2013, Geneva 2011, Geneva 2009. So Geneva is the, you can tell, the place where it was held the most number of times. Okay. So here if you see Hong Kong in 2005, Cancun, which is in Mexico, in 2003, Doha in Qatar in 2001, then Seattle in 1999, Geneva again 1998, and first one happened in Singapore. Okay, even though you can tell 3 or 4 times it happened in Geneva, the first one is not in Geneva. The first one is in Singapore in 1996. Okay, see 96, 98, and then here within 1 year it happened, 99. Then onwards it is 2 years, but latest one because of COVID there was a 5-year gap. So here if you see, happened in Geneva, originally scheduled to take place in Nur Sultan, which is the capital of Kazakhstan, and due to COVID it kept on postponing. 2019 they told, 2020, 2021, and then finally travel ban, everything was there, and finally this Kazakhstan was actually the latest member to WTO. That is why they were planning to put the conference in Kazakhstan, but because of COVID it finally had to happen in the usual Geneva place. Okay.